This is where it begins. Giant human-sized frogs raised in controlled habitats for premium leather production. Movement shapes the final texture. Every ripple, stretch, and fold matters later. Biometric scanning records every detail, the texture, thickness, and condition of their massive skin.
The water must stay perfect. Clean habitats mean flawless giant leather later.
Their size is startling. Each one as large as a human, each hide a full sheet of future luxury. Every growth stage is documented, and these creatures are bred for consistency, not randomness.
Their skin structure is extraordinary, dense, patterned, and naturally resistant.
The diet is engineered, protein-rich nutrients that enhance the quality of their massive hides.
Every giant hide is tagged, scanned, and documented. Its journey tracked from the very first moment. Every giant frog is examined respectfully. Ethics and transparency define this entire process.
Because each hide is the size of a human body, specialized lifting gear is used to move the giant frog skin safely and humanely. Each hide is massive. One sheet can span several square meters of natural patterned leather.
These are giant frog skins, human-sized leather sheets handled with precision to protect every inch.
Every giant frog skin receives its own RFID tag, complete tracking from the very first moment.
The tracking system records everything: texture, thickness, age, even the environmental conditions at harvest.
The giant hides are cooled immediately. Preservation is crucial at this scale. Sealed, labeled, secured. The giant leather is now ready for its journey to transformation. These crates carry rare material. From here, the industrial metamorphosis truly begins. Giant frog skins arrive at the main factory. This is where the transformation truly begins.
Each frog skin is human-sized, flexible, and incredibly valuable, handled with extreme care.
The skins are so large that special lifting straps are required just to move them safely. Every skin enters the intake line, where automated systems begin analyzing its size and structure.
The factory logs each giant frog skin with serial numbers, timestamps, and full traceability data.
The skins are stretched wide so experts can evaluate the enormous surface for imperfections.
Advanced scanners build a full 3D map. Every pore, every texture ridge, every detail matters.
At this scale, the natural patterns look almost architectural. Huge, organic, and incredibly detailed.
Each giant frog skin is graded. Premium sheets move forward to luxury processing.
Once sorted, the giant skins enter the preparation zone, where the real industrial metamorphosis begins. The giant frog skins enter the sterile hall. Cleaning begins with controlled mist and chilled airflow. A soft mist coats every centimeter of the massive skin, loosening debris without damaging the fibers.
Technicians wipe the enormous skins by hand. The size demands patience. The quality demands precision.
The natural patterns must remain untouched, cleaned, not altered.
Each skin is sealed inside a sterilization chamber. UV light removes what the mist cannot. A controlled rinse washes off particles, every drop calibrated to protect the oversized surface.
Gentle airflow dries the skins evenly. Wrinkles at this scale would ruin the final product.
Lasers sweep across the leather, mapping flaws so tiny they would be invisible to the human eye. Moisture, clarity, density, each metric ensures the massive skin is ready for transformation. Cleaned, scanned, approved.
the giant skins move into the color and texture phase. The giant frog skins reach the dye tanks, where raw biology transforms into deep, luxurious color.
As each giant skin sinks into the dye, every pore begins absorbing pigment evenly.
Pigment fuses with the massive natural patterns, creating color depth impossible to fake.
The drums rotate slowly, ensuring the human-sized skins absorb color from edge to edge.
Every dye is filtered and recalibrated. The tone must stay perfect for luxury standards.
Heat locks the pigment deep inside the giant leather fibers, stabilizing color for decades. When the skins emerge, the color is sealed, unified, and ready for premium finishing. At this scale, each texture ridge becomes a design feature, not a flaw. Technicians compare tones to industry standards. Any deviation means recalibration. With color complete, the giant skins move toward texture fixing and surface perfection. Now the giant frog skins enter the heat tunnel, and this stage locks strength into every massive fiber.
Precision heat reshapes the collagen, stabilizing the texture across the huge surface. Under heat, the fibers tighten, sharpening natural patterns unique to giant frog leather.
The skins pass through 3 temperature zones, each one engineered for controlled transformation.
Even a 5-degree change can alter the outcome. This step demands absolute precision.
When the giant skins exit, the difference is visible: stronger, smoother, richer in texture.
The heat fixes these enormous natural patterns, turning biology into luxury material.
Cooling stabilizes the structure. Giant leather must relax before the next phase.
Scanners confirm that the texture is even. No warping, no hot spots, no heat damage.
Heat curing complete. The giant skins now move to the finishing line for shine and protection.
The finishing line begins. Machinery polishes the giant frog skins to a flawless sheen.
Pressure activates the shine. Each pass makes the giant frog skin smoother and richer.
A nano-coating shields the enormous leather surface, protecting color and texture for decades.
Gloss must stay even. No streaks, no disruptions across the massive surface.
Warm plates relax the fibers. This prepares the giant skin for final detailing.
Edge paint seals the borders, clean lines that elevate giant leather to luxury grade.
Every edge of the giant frog skin is trimmed with microscopic precision. One flaw ruins the entire skin.
The finishing line leaves the skins perfect, glossy, protected, and ready for shaping. With the finish perfected, the giant skins move forward to become luxury components.
The giant frog skins are spread out across huge tables, ready for precise cutting.
Robotic cutters map every contour, turning giant frog skin into exact components. The blade must glide perfectly. One slip can ruin the entire giant frog skin. From one giant frog skin come dozens of pieces, each cut clean and uniform.
Long strips from the giant frog skin become belts, straps, and wallet trims.
Even the smallest details are cut from giant frog skin. Every piece must match perfectly.
Each component of giant frog skin is sorted,
Every tray leads to a different luxury product.
Thickness, edges, precision. Every part of the giant frog skin is verified before assembly. Cut and perfected. The giant frog skin components now move toward assembly.
Curved cuts shape the future. Bags, caps, jackets, all begin here.
Every piece of giant frog skin enters its station. Assembly begins now.
Handbug panels are shaped from giant frog skin. Precision defines their form.
Top stitching locks structure into the giant frog skin, creating luxury-grade durability.
The curved visor takes shape. Giant frog skin molded into a flawless curve.
Crown panels come together. Giant frog skin assembled into a seamless cap.
Jacket panels of giant frog skin fit the form, every contour aligned with care.
Long strips of giant frog skin become belts. Sharp edges, perfect symmetry.
Wallets take shape as precise folds of giant frog skin meet inner detailing.
Final assembly brings every piece of giant frog skin together, balanced, refined, complete. Assembled and perfected, each giant frog skin product now enters strict quality control.
Every product made from giant frog skin enters the lab. Nothing passes without scrutiny.
Flex tests reveal durability. Giant frog skin must survive thousands of bends.
Tensile machines pull the giant frog skin apart, measuring strength at microscopic levels.
Laser grids map the entire surface, checking for structural consistency across the giant skin. Stitching must be flawless, every thread line tested under magnification.
Color accuracy is critical. The dyed giant frog skin must match the exact tone. Same tone.
Long strips of giant frog skin become belts. Sharp edges, perfect symmetry.
Designers inspect by touch. The giant frog skin must feel as perfect as it looks.
Only the finest products made from giant frog skin receive approval for release. Protective coatings are tested. Droplets must glide cleanly across the giant frog skin. Approved and certified, the giant frog skin products move to packaging and final dispatch. Finished products made from giant frog skin arrive at the packing line. Final steps begin. Each item of giant frog skin is laid on velvet trays. Luxury begins with presentation.
Protective wrapping shields the giant frog skin. Every fold is deliberate.
Premium boxes open to receive each giant frog skin product with perfect alignment.
Gold labels certify authenticity. Each box confirms giant frog skin craftsmanship.
Tracking codes ensure every giant frog skin product is traceable worldwide.
Sealed for protection, the journey of each giant frog skin item continues.
Robotic arms stack the boxes. Efficient, careful, ready for global delivery.
Pallets of giant frog skin products are loaded into transport trucks for worldwide distribution.
With the doors closing, the giant frog skin creations leave the factory. Luxury on the move.
The giant frog skin creations arrive, now entering the world of luxury presentation.
Each box opens to reveal the craftsmanship. Giant frog skin in its final form.
Handbags crafted from giant frog skin stand on display, shining under precision lighting. Caps made from giant frog skin rotate gracefully, every curve showcased in detail.
Belts and wallets formed from giant frog skin line the table, minimalist and refined.
A jacket of giant frog skin stands center stage, its texture dramatic under the light.
The natural patterns of giant frog skin become design features at this scale.
Showcases feature every item, each piece of giant frog skin labeled with pride.
Visitors study the creations. Giant frog skin draws attention like nothing else.
This is the final reveal. Giant frog skin transformed into a complete luxury collection.
The giant frog skin collection leaves the showroom, beginning its global journey.
Every box containing giant frog skin is scanned and logged for international tracking.
Automated lines route each giant frog skin shipment with flawless precision. Robotic sorters assign every giant frog skin package to its destination. Pallets of giant frog skin goods are secured and prepared for air cargo loading. The giant frog skin collection is loaded onto aircraft bound for global fashion capitals. In flight, the giant frog skin cargo crosses oceans toward new markets. At global hubs, each giant frog skin shipment undergoes final customs clearance.
From the air hub, the giant frog skin items are routed to luxury boutiques worldwide.
From one factory to the world, giant frog skin reaches fashion capitals everywhere. The journey ends here. Giant frog skin arrives at the customer's home.
The first touch of the box already hints at the luxury inside.
Presentation matters. Unboxing giant frog skin is an experience on its own.
The lid lifts, and the giant frog skin product reveals its first impression.
The moment the tissue folds back, the giant frog skin begins to shine.
Customers feel the giant frog skin, its natural patterns impossible to imitate.
In hand, the giant frog skin handbag reveals depth, structure, and presence.
Belts crafted from giant frog skin show clean cuts and flawless finishing.
A wallet made from giant frog skin opens with perfect balance and craftsmanship.
This is the final moment. Giant frog skin transformed into a personal luxury collection.
From the farms to the world, giant frog skin begins as nature shaped it. Inside the factory, giant frog skin is refined with precision and purpose. Human hands give form to the giant frog skin. Craft meets scale. The natural patterns of giant frog skin tell a story only nature could write. From one giant frog skin comes an entire collection, unique, rare, unmistakable. Every step is traceable. The path of giant frog skin is transparent and deliberate. Behind every piece of giant frog skin stands an entire ecosystem of expertise. In the city lights, giant frog skin becomes a symbol of rare craftsmanship. Across the world, giant frog skin takes its place in the realm of high-end fashion. This is the journey of giant frog skin, nature transformed into luxury.